My name is Lama Mugabo. I'm a board member of Hoganzali Society. And this summer, I'm coordinating this garden. We created this project to work as a platform between tenants of the Nora Hendrix place and the wider Black community. And the idea behind this is to use gardening as a community development tool, where we hope to engage participants in a number of ways. It's really looking at how gardening can help improve our lives. So understanding the connection between food production, nutrition, and wellness. So this work for me came as an epiphany when I went back to Rwanda. I started an organization called Building Bridges with Rwanda to help rebuild the society after the horrendous 1994 genocide. When I went to Rwanda, the government was coming up with a strategy to fight malnutrition, and they were bringing back a practice that we used to do way before the colonialists arrived, which is having a house for every household. So I liked that project, I liked the idea, and I recruited agriculture students from Rwanda to come and work in this village. For me, what was really an epiphany was a young mother told us this story that really affected us. She said she went to the doctors because her eyesight was blurry. And the doctor asked her when was the last time she had vegetables. She couldn't remember. So he suggested that you should go and have some vegetables and come back to see us in a couple of weeks. She did. When she went back, the garden we planted for her was ready to harvest. So she started eating these greens, and by the time we got there, she was beaming with pride, saying, "Look, my skin is clear, my vision is back to 2020. And then we started thinking about, why do we get sick, go to the doctor, and the doctor says, eat this and you'll feel better? And we realized that nutrition is really the key to better health. So growing vegetables, cooking them properly, and using them to build our immune system and grow our health, it's a wonderful recipe. So come on board.